Especially after receiving her biodata, I was under confusion. How far she is eligible for the doctorate? So I am not aware of the dance and activities and all. I sent to a university retired professor to discuss about general, because so the person of the age, she is not underage. She is actually according to our norm, she is okay. But his question is whether this 21, 22 years age is desirable to give doctorate. I sent a profile to a university retired professor in dance. He accepted. I forwarded all the videos to him. Okay, please tell about yourself briefly. After recommendation of he, representative.
Krishna Vishnave Sarvam Vishnave Jagavishnave Vipraya Priye Vaibhava Vibhavari Vare Vishva Vibhu Vibhu Bhava Vishnave Tribhuvane Saranam Vishnum Sri Pada Charanam Atma Samarpanam. This is a small bit from Adipurusha Sahasranama Stotram which has written by me. Firstly, good morning everyone. Thank you so much for believing me and giving this opportunity to me. Thank you, sir. Firstly, myself, Krishna Sahiti, Kuchipudi dancer, and Carnatic musician as well. I am pursuing degree final year. I am daughter of Kavi Sabyasachi. He is actually a poet and artist too as well. Firstly, where I have to start, I don't know. I'm not having any interest in these studies. Actually, I used to tell my mother I want to be in a unique passion, unique profession, which gives happiness to me, not from outer the society or anything, which gives happiness to me from inside. It's nothing but spiritual happiness. I choose Carnatic music and dance as my profession. I feel that, as ma'am said, it's really, as a dancer, you know ma'am, after dancing and giving any performance, how we feel from inside in practicing and everything. And if it comes to choreography, it's a different level. And actually my family worships goddess Lakshmi. We are great devotees of Mata. I feel this, everything is of her grace and blessings. One time I want to choreograph on a different thing which was not done by anyone. It's Sri Suktam. It's from Rig Veda. Yes, Rig Veda is one of the 4 Vedas. Rig Veda means power, Shakti. And the actual goddess Lakshmi is nothing but form of goddess Adi Shakti. So I wanted to choreograph in this, and I also choreographed Om Namah Shivaya in from Indian Raga tune. And I'm really happy. I've written quotations. One of my most favorite quotations is, patience makes us grow, which holds us in emotional food. Patience is the thing, patience is the flow which controls us, which it gives us power, and it's the only thing we can achieve our whatever profession we are in. And one more is arrogance is the blindness which closes the inner soul. Anyone in this world should not have any arrogance at being in their great positions or anything, because patience gives us power and arrogance which loses everything. So should not have any arrogance. I feel this, I always read this in my mind and I'll go through. And I'm also an artist, which I also say this from my father. I paint some drawings of Lord Vishnu, Goddess Lakshmi, which comes in my meditation. I meditate daily because it's very important, meditation, which gives inner confidence. And this everything now I'm here, and is all because of my mom's and sister's support. Because in everyone's life there will be someone who supports us in our profession, who believes us. At starting stage, my colleague, my friends, everyone, my relatives told me that why to take this music and dance as your profession? Won't give you anything. Go and can do as an engineer or whatever, doctor, be a doctor. But I don't know. Only my mother and my sister believed in me. My father too as well believed in me, and they have given me. They have believed in me and shown. My mother showed a path. This the way, not this way. Don't go this way. Do any unique thing. From that, I thought to choreograph at this small age. And thank you, ma'am. I'm very happy. Really, your appreciation. Really, it means a lot to me. You're great dancers, ma'am. I really don't know. I know you're watching me when I'm dancing. It means a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir, giving this great opportunity, and being in front of you all is a great honor to me. Thank you all.
Very good. We will promote you next time in abroad conference at Dr. Shyam. Please consider our next